bubble. The behavior bubble is where be creative, be change, be behavior is our community. Today we are reading our next bedtime story. It's titled, I Love You to the Moon and Back. Illustrated by Tim Warnes. I love our time together as we start each happy day. I love our bath time stillness, the way we splash and play. Yay! Look, friends, they're playing. What do you like to play? I love to lift you way up high so you feel really tall. We'll climb the highest mountaintops, hold tight and you won't fall. Look, friends, I spy a tree, an owl, and the sky. What do you see? I love to share the magic of the shining skies above. And think of all the different ways we can show our love. Aww, that's so sweet. Like when you're touching noses, playing chase, I caught you, or seeing friends. This is so nice. Look at all of their friends. I see a fox, a rabbit, and it looks like a squirrel. What sound does a bear make? That's right. It growls. What sound does an owl make? Ooh, ooh. That's right. Good job. Let's continue. Our love is always with us and it never ends. So snuggle safely in my arms. Our day is nearly done. I love you to the moon and stars, my precious little one. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. It was a really cute story. Did you like it? I hope so. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to keep up with all of our bedtime stories. Check out some of our other stories too by our community readers. I'll see you next time.